What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and talking about the Ekrin B37S Massage Gun. Let's get started. Before we go deep into the video, I just want to take a few seconds to thank Ekrin for sending me their massage gun and for also sponsoring this video. I am very excited to unbox this massage gun for you guys and go over its features, because it's definitely features that separates it from the rest of the massage guns on the market. So let's start by taking a look around the box. You have branding on the sides here, and then in the back, it gives you a very brief overview of what you get with your massage gun. So it tells you in this box, it includes the massage gun, of course, the travel case, the travel charger, and the 6 attachments. And right here, it shows you the 6 attachments that are included. I'm gonna go over what each attachment does, and I'll showcase each one for you later in the video. So let's start with the unboxing now. You simply pull out this flap, and right here you have the travel case they talked about. Let me unbox it this way, and right off the bat you're greeted with this really good looking travel case, because I like the branding. Most massage guns out there, the travel case, it just comes just blank. It's just a black case, there's no branding at all, and I'm guessing they do that to save money, because I'm sure that costs something for a company to put its branding, company and model name of the massage gun on the travel case. So that's definitely a very nice touch. Let's unzip this travel case and let's see what you get. There you go. You are immediately greeted, of course, with the massage gun and the 6 attachments. Now, right here, you have on the side pocket, you have an Ekrin sticker. You have a user manual, and you have sort of like this little piece of paper that goes over what each of the attachments are for, which I'm going to show you in a second. And it breaks down what each level is for, as far as releasing tension. Again, I will go over that later in the video, but the RPMs for this massage gun go anywhere from 2,000 to 3,200 RPMs, which is, I found out to be pretty much the basic RPMs around the massage gun markets and what other massage guns have to offer for the price point of this massage gun. Now let's go over the attachments. First, you have the flat attachment right here. So this attachment is meant for overall use. And then next you have the fork attachment. Now they're saying this is meant for neck and spine. Personally, I haven't tried the flat attachment yet. I will tell you which ones I've been using. But next you have the round attachment. If I can get that out, there we go. Now the round attachment is also for overall use, and I have used this before with this massage gun. I actually already used this massage gun already, but I was able to put everything back in place so I can unbox it for you guys today. So I did use the round attachment already. Next, you have the bullet attachment. Now, the bullet attachment is meant for a more pinpoint treatment. So if you have a specific area that you want to pinpoint the massage gun to help treat or, relieve that tension, this is the perfect attachment for you. Next, you have the other round attachment. The only difference between this one and the one I showed you previously, so this is the one I showed you previously, this is the other one, is that this one has sort of a hard material to it, and this one has a silicone See, I can't do that with the other one. So this is more of a hard, round attachment. This is a soft silicone attachment. Now, this has been my go-to attachment. The round silicone attachment has been my go-to attachment. I prefer it over the others personally. Next, and finally, last but not least, you have the cone attachment. Now, the cone attachment is meant for your trigger points and lower back. Again, I haven't really used this. The main one, again, that I told you I've been using is the round silicone attachment. Next, you have your charger, just a basic charger for your massage gun. And the main event, the massage gun itself. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering why the massage gun is curved the way you see it. So let me zoom out a little bit so you see it. Now, the reason why the massage gun is curved is because that's the more relaxed motion for your hand. If you're using one of those straight line up type of massage gun handles, you're going to be holding it like this. And if you try doing this with your wrist, it's not a relaxed motion as much as if you're going like this. When you're going like this, your wrist is more relaxed and it's more comfortable when you're holding the massage gun. So I really do like this design feature. At first, I didn't understand why they did this, but now after using it, I do understand why they went with this design. So the first feature I want to start talking about is the locking in mechanism of the attachments. So like I already mentioned, this massage gun has 6 attachments, unlike many massage guns out there on the market that only have 5. This one has 6, so you do have more options. And then the other thing that you have here, like I told you, the lock-in mechanism is most massage guns, you take the attachment and you push it in. The issue is when you push in the attachment, there is a high risk of it falling out and you end up having the massage gun working and just this part without an attachment is hitting you, and that can happen. The great thing with this is that it locks in. So you just simply put it in and you then turn counterclockwise until it's locked in. And up here, you hold the power button. And this is at level 1. Now, level 1 functions at 2000 RPMs, and it's really meant for you to use it to release tension. So that's level 1. Now, level 2 is meant for recovery and flexibility. Next is level 3. Now, level 3 functions at 2900 RPMs, and I'm sorry, level 2 functioned at 2400 RPMs. So 2900 RPMs, it's meant for a deep massage. That level is really, that's what it's for. And then the 4th level is, they call it for waking up your muscle. We're now at the 4th level, and that functions at the full 3200 RPM. Now the final level is level 5. Now level 5 is alternating between 2400 RPMs and 3200 RPMs. And it does, you see how I'm still on level 5, I didn't change it, but it variably changes between 2400 and 3200. So if you don't want to have it at 3200 exactly or 2400, it just mixes between, it just shuffles between the 2 RPMs. Now, one of the most impressive features that I really want to talk about is the reactive force sensor. Now, what this does is that when you are using the massage gun at whichever level, based on the level that you're on, it tells you how much force you're using. And I'm gonna demonstrate this now for you. I just have to turn off the camera light, the light on top of my camera, so you can better see it. So it's gonna be the blue lights around this circular top. Let me show you. So as you can see, I turned off the camera light and now I have it running on level 1. And as you can see here, there is this kind of not even half of a blue light. Now watch that increase, and for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna put it against my palm and increase the force, and you're gonna see how much that blue light increases. So I hope you were able to see that. The reason why it might have been blurry is because of all the shaking. Another impressive feature I wanted to talk about is the impressive battery life for this massage gun. Now, comparing to other massage guns out there, including mainstream brands, which I don't want to mention, but I'm sure you have heard of them, they offer usually 3 hours of battery life on a full charge. This massage gun offers an 8-hour battery life on a full charge. So not only does this massage gun have very good features such as the reactive force, the locking in mechanism, the 6 attachments, and the 5 different levels of speed, but it has a very impressive battery life to accompany all these features with it. So now that I talked about the Ekrin B37S's features, now let me talk about Ekrin itself. Now, Ekrin is a company based out of Boston, and they offer a lifetime warranty on their massage guns. As long as you register it on their website within 30 days of you purchasing the massage gun, they offer and they stand behind their lifetime warranty, which covers any manufacturer's defects or defects from workmanship or materials. And they'll be happy to replace the part or give you a refurbished or even a new massage gun if an issue arises. And they have excellent customer service. Now, this differentiates Ekrin from other companies is because other companies out there offer a 1 to 2 year warranty. And you know, to me, it says a lot that a company is willing to stand behind their product for the lifetime of the product, which is really impressive to me. It's not just something, it's not a gimmick or it's just a 1 year warranty. That's what a company usually offers you. And once you need something from them, it's horrible customer service. They don't respond back to you in time. It's great because it shows that you can trust the company and they're willing to stand behind their product and the reliability and the features it offers you. So this massage gun retails for $330, but Ekrin was nice enough to offer all of my viewers, all of you guys, 20% off the $330 price. So I left all the details in the link below, including the coupon code. Go try it out. They do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you do not like it for any reason, just return it. And you really have nothing to lose. If you're in the market for a massage gun, give this a shot because it definitely beats out the competition. So this was my video on the Ekrin B37S Massage Gun. I do want to take another second to thank Ekrin for sending me this amazing massage gun and for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer them. If not, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.